Hey kids, wanted you to see something. I was out here working on some battery cables. We've been having those, I don't know if you can see the clouds or not. We'll get a thunder boomer that rolls through and it pours like hell. And then 5 minutes later the sun's out and it's 90 degrees. So it's one of those real hot muggy days. And we've had so much rain the last 3 weeks that it's hard to get outside and do anything. But I was out and I noticed this is my little, I guess you'd call it an access road. It accesses different parts of my property, and you can see how close it is to the Winnebago. But what I noticed was these. Let me get over here, see if you can see these. Boy, these look like, what, raspberries? Look like raspberries to me. And you can see that I'm like 10, 12, 15 feet away from, and if you'll notice, they're all over the place. And when I say all over the place, I mean all over the place. I don't know if you can hear that thunder. The thunder is really different here in the mountains. And one little clap of thunder will echo and bounce and resound, I guess that would be a good word, for 2 or 3 minutes at a time. Hopefully you can hear that. But what I wanted you to see was, this is down in one of my valleys. Had a lot of lightning strikes here in the last 2 to 3 weeks. Only that one that was real close. But we've had a lot of wind damage too. I don't know if you can see the trees that are kind of bent over. But we've had so much rain, and then we'll go extremes. 2 days of rain and then 2 days of 85 to 90 degree sunshine, and it's a lot different than it was in June of last year. I'd only been here 6 weeks last year, but everything is so overgrown and green this year and full. In fact, you can't even see my clearing. That's my clearing and my springs. And it is, I can't tell you how beautiful it is here. I just wish I had or could raise the money to develop it, because the initial plan was to make tiers all the way down to the clearing and make each tier a parking spot for 1 or 2 RVs. Okay. Can you hear that? Pretty freaking amazing.